It's just after 1 a.m. in Crystal Lake, and this traffic stop is already raising red flags. Swerving, delayed reactions, and an officer who immediately shifts into assessment mode. At first glance, this looks routine, but what unfolds next is anything but. From refusal after refusal, to escalating tension, to decisions that will permanently alter one woman's future, this stop becomes a textbook example of how DUI investigations hinge on cooperation behavior and the totality of circumstances. Pay close attention to the officer's tone, the suspect's responses, and the moments where everything could have gone in a very different direction. Because once certain lines are crossed, there's no rewinding what happens next.
Would you mind shutting off the truck and stepping out for me?
For what?
Because I'd like to talk to you and back. I really don't need to have a reason. There's case law that says I can ask you, but... Well, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I don't care if somebody's had one beer and they're just driving to their friend's house. Right? I have no concerns about that. My concern is to make sure that people aren't impaired. There's a very vast difference between having one drink.
Impaired?
Things that I'm seeing are someone who's consumed alcohol, right? I want to do some things to make sure that you're not impaired. And if you're not impaired, we get you going on. Do you know where you are right now?
I'm in Crystal Lake.
You're in Crystal Lake. Okay. Do you know what time it is without looking at a watch?
I would say it's probably about 1 o'clock.
Okay. Do you know what today's date is?
It is the 10th.
These things are the way that I can verify whether or not you're impaired. Okay, whether or not you're above or below the legal limit of .08.
I get it.
Right?
I get that you're doing your job. I'm not here.
But what I'm saying is my job is not to put innocent people away. What I'm saying is that I've never met you. Do you have a speech impediment at all?
No.
Okay,
I mean, I went to speech class.
Because your speech pattern is slurred. Okay? Your eyes are red and bloodshot. You're swaying while you're standing. You had improper lane usage. When you got out of your car, you were off balance. All of these things are cumulative to somebody who could be impaired. But I'm trying to get as much information because if you're not impaired, I don't want to arrest you. But if you are impaired, I have to do my job. These tests are the things that would show me.
Okay.
And if they're not done
I came from Hawaii. I slept all friggin' day. I slept 15 hours today.
Okay. Did you eat much today?
No, I ate a sandwich.
You ate a sandwich? What time did you eat that sandwich at?
When I woke up, it was about 1:30.
Okay. All right. So you don't want to do any other tests?
I'm not doing tests because I've been told not to. I've been told that this is just incriminating, and I just feel that it's.
Else that I'm seeing is
no, well, you're gonna meet. Okay, I'm telling you right now. Take me in or don't.
Okay. All right. You're under arrest for DUI.
This is the critical phase of the stop, the field sobriety tests, and this is where a lot of people misunderstand what's happening. These tests aren't about proving innocence on the roadside. They're tools officers use to establish probable cause. Notice how the officer calmly explains each step, repeats instructions, and documents observations like balance issues, red eyes, and slurred speech. Anxiety is real, but legally, nervousness doesn't override physical indicators. Here, the key question for you. If you were in her position, would you continue refusing, or would you comply and let the results speak for themselves? Because at this point, every hesitation, every refusal, and every emotional reaction is being mentally logged, and it's all building toward a decision that's becoming harder to avoid.
You've been cooperative. Do you mind taking off some of these bracelets so that way I'm not...
I have a lot of them on. Just take this one off first.
I would say if you can, take off... Yeah.
It's going to be hard to take this other one off without this hand.
That's fine. Yeah. Just take...
Let's be real.
If you're not impaired, they will. Okay? I can unarrest people. The state of Illinois gives me the power to unarrest people. But if you are impaired, it's just going to show me and confirm that you are impaired.
Before we do anything, let's make sure I have every charm because these charms will cost a lot of money.
Okay.
Well, how about this? Stop taking them out of your pocket so we don't do that.
No, but this is that. This is just like a bracelet.
All right. So
I want to make sure that I have.
Right, so let's... Do you mind if
I
I
have
put those in your car?
No, I have all the charms.
Put them all in your pocket. Why don't we do that?
Yes, I just wanted to make sure I had them because these are...
All right.
It's really important. Okay.
So, once again, I mean, I've already asked all of the questions. Don't really have to Mirandize. If you just want to stand right here. All right. Stand with your heels and toes together, arms down at your side. Okay? Should I Mirandize? I mean, it's not...
No, not necessary.
Okay, cool. All right. So, do you see the tip of my green pen? Right here? This is just so I can see better. But do you see the tip of my green pen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm going to check your eyes. I'm going to move this stimulus, the tip of my green pen, from side to side, and I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, and don't move your head. Do you understand?
The green pen.
The tip of the green pen, just keep your head still and follow it with your eyes. Okay? Just keep following it. It's going to go from side to side. These ones, it's going to be held out for a little bit. Just keep your eyes on the green pen. Alright, we're going to go straight up and down. The next one, you're going to stand right on my flashlight. Or actually, we got enough for the road. We can use this.
I will.
Alright, so if you want to stand right here on this line, alright, I want you to face this way towards my car. So I want you to put your left foot on that line. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, stand heel to toe with the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot, and just stand arms on your side like this. Alright, don't move from that position and don't start the test until I tell you to begin. Do you understand?
Okay.
So stand in that position like I'm standing right here. I'll even stand in the position with you while I read the instructions. So when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. Once you get to your final step, you're going to leave your front foot on the line and turn around using a series of small steps around it with your other foot and take 9 heel to toe steps back.
So 9 steps forward.
Maintain that position.
9 steps back.
Yep, maintain that position.
Yeah, maintain this position. 9 steps
9
forward,
heel to toe
9
steps
back.
down. Turn around like I'm going to demonstrate and like I had described, and then 9 heel to toe steps back. So it's going to look like this. I'm only going to take 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep your front foot on the line. Series of small steps. 1, 2, 3. While you're walking, keep your arms down at your side. Look down at your feet. Count your steps out loud. And once you start walking, do not stop until you've completed the test.
9 steps back. 9 steps.
Yep. Do you understand all those instructions? All right. Whenever you're ready, your first step is 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. The last one is going to be stand with your heels and toes together, arms down at your side like this. When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise either foot of your choice, whichever one you're most comfortable with, approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the size of a can of pop.
Right, just give me a break because I have extreme anxiety right now.
Okay. Do you need to take a breath?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I
tell me whenever you're
grab a
ready.
water bottle from my car?
No,
Just to drink some water?
This one will take just a couple of seconds.
Okay, then just let me breathe.
Okay.
I do have high anxiety.
Yeah, I'll give you a little space.
This sucks. This sucks.
We know.
I know. I know you know, and I know
It's okay. I'm not being offended by it. I'm just letting you know. We understand.
This scares me.
No. Okay. So,
I'm having a lot of anxiety. Now that you're talking to me about it, now I'm getting more emotional.
All right, I'll stop talking.
so
I would rather.
You're not the first person to tell me that.
Let me just breathe, because, like, this can make me lose my jobs.
I will say, as a matter of fact, there is ways that you can still drive even if you have a DUI. Okay?
No, there isn't.
But,
No, there isn't now with my job. That's not how it works. Can you drive? Can you do your job with a DUI?
depending, there's
Probably
circumstances. Not. I would probably get
not a parole.
I would probably get put on administrative leave and
yeah, I would lose my job.
But yeah, I mean,
just do it, you. Like, I don't know what to tell you.
So if you'd like, this is just a preliminary breath test. This is not criminally admissible. If you want to stand your heels and toes together, arms down at your side like this, okay?
What do you want me to do?
So just heels and toes together, arms down at your side like this. When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise either foot of your choice, whichever one you're most comfortable with. Approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the size of a can of Coke. You're going to keep your foot parallel to the ground, both legs straight, arms down at your side. You're going to look down at the tip of your raised foot, count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep counting until I tell you to stop. So it's going to look like this. 6 inches off the ground, foot parallel to the ground, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and keep counting until I tell you to stop.
When are you going to stop?
So I'm not allowed to divulge that. It's not a very long time. It's well under a minute. So whenever you're ready, you can begin.
What?
Yep. And then look at your foot and count out loud like I showed you.
Okay.
Yep.
1001.
Yep.
1002.
And just look at the tip of your raised foot.
1004.
And keep your arms at your side.
1006. 1007. 1008. 1009. 2010. 2011. 2012. 2013. 2014. 2015. 2016. 2017. 2018.
Okay.
2019.
Okay, you can stop. Okay, so do you still don't want to provide a breath sample?
No, you're freaking me out.
Okay. Do you want to take your, so you are under arrest, so you, do you want to take off your bracelets and your watch? That way we don't have to put the handcuffs over them.
Why am I under arrest?
For driving while under the influence.
What of my test?
It's a totality of the circumstances, but you are under arrest for DUI. Okay.
I need to grab my phone before going.
Yeah, we'll grab anything.
What side of the truck do you need?
You guys don't have an right on my truck.
No, we do.
I have a full legal right to
go
go
get it.
Okay. Do you have anything in your pockets? In your jacket? Do you want me to put that with you in the jail, or do you want me to put it in your
I just want my
truck?
phone.
Okay, that's fine. Can you grab a bag out of my car or your car? We'll take your cigarettes with you. Do you have a lighter in here or no?
I don't know.
Your phone, your purse, the credit card that was on your seat, I'm going to take that out of there as well. Okay.
Cigarettes.
You want anything else out of your car?
No,
There's a whole thing of keys there. Do you want, all we need is the key for the truck. Okay.
key in the truck should be in the truck.
Okay, so do you want that?
I mean, like, obviously it should be in it.
All right. You want that whole big thing of keys, that keychain thing?
I don't know what we're talking about here.
Is it okay if I put these Q-tips in the toothpicks in the truck?
There you
What do
go.
you want?
Alright, we're gonna walk back to my
We
car.
have to make sure that I have, because what's bail? I'm not seeing.
There is no bail.
There is no bond.
It's literally.
What do you mean?
We're gonna go do a couple of things, get you fingerprinted, photographed, take care of the chemical
And
test.
where does that go?
That has to get towed for tonight.
All right, well, close the door.
We are.
I will. We'll take care of it. Don't worry.
I gotta swap this way.
So let's go this way.
You guys are leaving the door open. All right.
Well, he's got the
You're
whole
really
lane
giving
shut
me the
down.
story inside the car, right?
Of what?
Like what I'm gonna do after that.
Yeah, 100%.
This
Oh,
other
actually,
car?
we'll go the other way. Yeah.
I'm not spending the night in
Just
jail.
make sure, because I had someone in there already. No, you're not spending the night in jail.
No, I'm not.
I know.
Pay you whatever freaking money to get me on. I'm not doing
As
it.
long as everything goes with, here, come this way. Yeah, as long as
Well,
everything
what's
goes.
going on with the car?
So,
It's going to get impounded or what's the
yes,
case?
it's impounded for the next 12 hours.
Okay.
Okay? You have a seat in there. And then
Okay,
I'll-
whatever. It's good to me.
So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used
Yep.
against you in court. You have the right to talk to an attorney, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned if you'd like. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost to you. You can sign at any time to not or to exercise these rights, not answer any statements or answer any questions. Do you understand all those rights?
I do.
So what's going to happen? We're going to go back to the station.
Okay.
We're going to do some administrative paperwork. I'm going to give you the opportunity to provide a chemical sample for a breath test. I'll explain the implications that go along with that. Then, after that, with the chemical test, depending on how everything goes, we'll get the fingerprinted photographed, get you a couple tickets, and get you released. Okay? So we're going to get you going now. And then, if you have any questions on the way, just let me know.
Okay.
Alright, I'll Lauren, real fast, can I get your phone number? Thank you.
You play softball at Western?
No.
No?
There you go.
From Plainfield?
What?
Are you from Plainfield?
I'm from McHenry.
Oh, okay. When I was looking at your name, it looked familiar. But,
Yeah.
Negative. She's cleared out. That's just J5 in custody.
So, what's going on with the car?
Okay, so your car is getting towed by. They haven't given us one yet, but it's gonna get towed tonight.
Obviously,
It's gonna get
but
impounded. Okay. Once 12 hours is up, you'll be able to come to the Crystal Lake Police Department and get your car out, and then go pick it up from the tow yard.
so it's going to be in Crystal Lake.
It's going to be Crystal Lake, Lake in the Hills, or Lake Barrington. It just depends on which first class. Okay, so it's going to be in Lake in the Hills. So it's literally first class towing is a little bit further down the road. That's where it'll be. And then in 12 hours, you'll be able to come get your car. You're actually, let me just verify. Sorry. And like I said, we're just going to the Crystal Lake Police Department to get some paperwork on we'll get you out within probably an hour or two.
I'm just going to pay your bail. I don't want to sit there.
There's no bail. No, it's literally you're going to sign conditions of retrial release that says I agree to show up to court and to abide by the judge's ruling. That's it.
And then I call you an Uber?
You can call somebody to come pick you up.
I call an Uber.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, as long as you're released to a silver party, it doesn't really matter.
Interesting.
Yeah, last September they did make a cash bail.
I don't know what this is good, but yeah, whatever. What the fuck ever. Jesus Christ. What are you in a rush for? I swear to God, you can drive calmer than that. Your shit in the back is like falling to the back. No, you can drive calmer. In general, I would not drive like that. I just want to pay the bill and get out of here. I mean, like, I don't care about your printer.
We'll worry about that later.
Is it trying to print right now?
We're gonna work with the next. Oh, Flores isn't around this shape.
What?
We need a female officer to search once you're in the
Oh,
detention
you're
facility.
good. All right.
Yeah, so that's what I was trying to arrange for. Come step right over here on these feet. Yep. And then we can always just keep her on the bench until Flores can get her. Hands back. Alright, put your hand on the black and yellow.
I mean, how long is it going to be? I just want to be out of here.
Yeah.
Pay whatever you want me to pay, but like, this is ridiculous.
Do you mind taking off your
I'm
jewelry?
not doing anything that you asked me to do on the field that you think I'll do now.
I'm going to read you a couple of things and then explain
What's
to
the
you
point
the
of taking
process.
my jewelry out?
Because you can't have it on while you're in the TDF. It's not my
The
rule, it's my
what?
boss's rule. The temporary detention facility, Crystal Lake's version of the jail. But you don't stay here overnight.
Sorry, they're just tight.
That's okay. Do you have any earrings on or anything like that?
I have stuff in my pockets. Okay. Those are the shirts.
You want to scoot over here? Not my rule. Once again, boss's rule. And then, do you mind just opening your mouth real quick? You don't got any gum, anything like that?
You're a nice guy. I can tell you're a nice guy, but you don't have to sugarcoat it, right? Yeah, we all make mistakes. You and me, right? You're just the one with the badge. So if we made the same mistake, it would be a different outcome, right? Of course. My mom has a badge, so I know the outcome. It's different. It's just different. And it's okay. I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at how you're on my side or something, because you're not. I don't want to hear some stupid thing that really doesn't apply to today or me. I want you to be like, I'm a cop, but I'm proud of it, and I'm going to do what I need to do, and you should stand by that. Instead of telling me what I want to hear and then going to your friend cops and telling them what they want to hear. It's just, that's kind of garbage, right? rather you stick to your guns, pick one side and friggin' go with it. Because this is not the side you're on, so don't act like you're on my side now that you're in front of me. See, I can even barely hear you, to be honest. I can barely hear you. Go home. And if I don't go home, I want to make sure someone's to take care of my dog.
So we'll come get your property after. Because I'm going to release you from here. Yeah, all of your stuff's in my car. So once we get this done, I'll go get you your phone and everything, so that way we can get you released from the car. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Hello.
It's emotional again. That's
Okay, you can have a seat there.
again.
So this should be all of your stuff.
The question I asked him was that since my license,
So you're getting one citation for DUI alcohol, one citation for operating a motor vehicle while using an electronic device, one for improper lane usage, and one for uninsured motor vehicle. Once you show insurance to the court, yeah, you said you don't have the fleet insurance. It's not saying that you don't have insurance, it's just saying that you couldn't show it to me today. So those are for you. That's your copy of the search warrant. This is your copy of the tow ticket. This is where your car is going to be. It's going to be at first class towing just down the road off Hyatt Road. Okay. In 24 hours. So at about 1 a.m. So first thing.
Yeah, I get it.
The next stage.
You need to wait 24 hours. I get it.
So you got to come to the Crystal Lake Police Department first. There's a $500 administrative tow fee on top of the car. You pay that, then you go to first class.
So
and you get
here?
your car. No, the Crystal Lake Police Department. So
say I pay.
you come to our
here
police department.
first?
You come to our police department first. You pay the fee, and then they release your vehicle. They won't release the vehicle to you until that fee's paid and you have the thing in your hand for first class. Then you go to first class and you get your car out. Okay. This is the copy of the breath test that showed that you refused.
Okay.
This, if you want to sign this, this is saying that everything you're getting, you can go through all of your stuff to make sure it's all there. But that was inventoried when you got to our police department. What's up?
I was charm missing in my bracelet, and it's like not your fault. I press that on you, but I would like to know like the point to where you guys pull me over so I can maybe
Oh, it was right by. It was just past the access road to the airport.
that way.
So you're going past Casey's. There's a little.
Right by Casey's up Hyatt, right?
So just past it. So once you pass Casey's, there's an access road to the Lake in the Hills Airport, and that's where you were pulled over at.
Say sport cards. Each of these cards cost like $100. Okay, well, could be worse, right? Only one time. Not everything. One.
And did you double check your pockets? Because that's where they were beforehand. Double check the pockets in there. And then I'll
That's
make
not
sure
where
that
they were on my wrist.
No,
which
but
fell
you
off
put
when I tried to take them off.
Yeah, and then you put them all in your pockets and it wasn't on the bracelet again. So this is the warning notice. This is what I read to you, just explaining kind of what the implications are of agreeing to or refusing to submit the clinical test. This is what I was talking about for the 46 days. Inside this, this is going to be your license for the next 46 days. So on the 46th day, your license is going to be suspended. There are ways that you can still drive, whether that's a judicial driving permit or
What that means?
So a judicial driving permit means like pretty much you can drive to and from work with no restrictions, but if you're not driving to and from work,
Well, what if
then you're
your
not allowed
work
to
is
drive.
driving to and from customers?
Yeah, then there's ways that you can do that.
Because like I don't like work in a direct area. I work customer to customer to customer.
100%. The other option is that you can get what's called a BAID permit, a breath alcohol interlock device.
Yeah,
It's the blow and go.
Yeah, I get it. I get
And
it.
then-
I get it. That's a lot more complicated. It's a simple, like you make it sound simple, but it's not.
No, I know. You have to go to the
You
court.
make
then
it
you gotta
sound
go.
like you could just get this. It's
No,
not
you
that
got to
simple.
petition for it. Then you got to go and pay the $50 and the $200 to put it in, and the $200 to take it out.
But I
and
love how simple you make it sound. That would be great.
So this is well, actually, before we do that, this is your conditions, or this is your property sheet.
Rings, bracelets. Well,
So if you just want to sign,
what am I signing?
this is just saying that you're getting back what was inventoried on here.
Good here.
Yep.
All right, bracelets, watch, ring, lighter, vape, clutch.
Like I think that's what they called your wallet.
It's a weird thing to call that. What is a checkbook? If that's what they call the clutch.
I don't know.
Credit cards, debit, phone, cigarettes, keychain, whatever. Let's just do it. Clutch. Sometimes they're just eyeballs.
And then this is yours, and then this is your conditions of pretrial release. What this means is that you're not, you're agreeing to show up to your court date, answer to the court if they order you to do anything, not break any further laws, and don't leave the country or the state unless you tell the court that you're going somewhere.
Disappear, change identity,
Yep.
find a new social security number. You'll never find me again. That's
I
it,
will
right?
be looking. I just wait for the court case.
You'll never find me. I'm now Maria Sanchez. I'm just
Yeah.
kidding. It's a joke.
If you end up in some other foreign country,
You'll
that
find
sounds
me
like
because
your,
trust me, I'm not that smart.
it sounds like your issue, not mine.
It will be my issue. I'm not that smart. It was a joke.
I just won't get called to the court date.
I just want to be let go. I want
Yeah.
to go home and
You're
let
ready
you
to
go.
release. You're ready to be released.
Yes.
So we'll go outside and I'll see you. We'll see if we can get you an Uber. Otherwise, I'll stick around and see if we can get you a ride to Woodstock, or at least meet halfway.
409.
So you got him, Chris Lake, 303. Can you please mark 1J5 released?
So these are mine. These yellow ones are mine, right?
Everything on there is on.
Everything is mine? Everything is mine. Alright, well, hold on before you go anywhere and taking this tape out of here.
Oh, sorry. This is also yours.
You gonna forget stuff on me too?
This is an extra piece of paper. This just explains the warning notice.
I'm joking.
Yeah.
Your first name too. Nothing against you.
No.
Just want to go home.
I get it. I would too.
This goes
That's all
stays
yours.
here, or this
No, that's
comes with
yours.
me?
That's your paperwork.
Shit, hold on, give me a second. I'm throwing this goddamn bag of trouble.
Following the incident, Lauren was hit with multiple serious charges: driving under the influence, using an electronic device while operating a vehicle, improper lane usage, and driving without valid insurance. These seemingly minor violations, when combined, were enough to bring her serious legal consequences.
By the end of this encounter, what started as a late-night traffic stop resulted in multiple charges: a refused chemical test, vehicle impoundment, and long-term legal consequences. From a law enforcement perspective, the officer followed standardized DUI protocol, observations, testing opportunities, clear warnings, and repeated chances to comply. The refusal to submit to testing didn't stop the process. It accelerated it. This case also highlights a harsh reality. Prior history matters, and repeated decisions compound consequences fast. So now we turn it to you. Do you believe the officer handled this professionally, or could this situation have been de-escalated further? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your perspective in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life bodycam breakdowns.